गुप्ता से आए हुए हैं भज्जू मिस्त्री। आप सूचना केंद्र के पास बजरंग परिषद कैंप में चले आए। आपका इंतजार मुन्नी देवी यहाँ पर कर रही है। मथुरा से आए हुए हैं डिस्को गुप्ता जी। आप सूचना केंद्र के पास बजरंग परिषद कैंप में चले आए। आपका इंतजार नेत्रपाल शर्मा जी यहाँ पर कर रहे हैं।
Mela, gatherings of people from different places, from different walks of life. From ancient times, gatherings have been an integral part to steer ahead the civilization, because these actually are places of exchanges. Not only trade or economic exchanges, till today we see the legacy continuing across different social, cultural, economic or religious interfaces. But as time passed by, necessities changed, so have changed the manifestations too. With advent of time and with increasing population, among these newly emerging necessities, one of the most immediate has been the presence of appropriate sanitation in a gathering as large as these, so that no one coming to a fair of this significance has to defecate openly, or in other way can manage to defecate openly. And for that, not only to establish an infrastructure for sanitation, it is equally important from the perspective of an overall change in the behavior and practice. Quite naturally, Ganga Sagar Mela 2016 came up as a natural choice to run a pilot for this big venture, because the individual and his team responsible for setting it up at Ganga Sagar, they have successfully converted an entire district, Nadia, to be more precise, the first district in India to an open defecation-free region.
In our country and also in our state, roughly about 50% of the population does not have access to toilets. So naturally, 50 or more than 50% of the pilgrims who are coming to the Mela may not have seen a toilet or may not have used a toilet.
So while Dr. P.B. Salim and his team took up the mission to make Ganga Sagar a clean and green destination of 2016, what they did as the first thing was making the administrative block of Ganga Sagar an open defecation free area.
আমাদের প্রতিটি পরিবারে শৌচাগারের সুব্যবস্থা করা হয়েছে।
Sagar block has around 14,000 houses, wherein around 5,200 houses are without toilets. So we have saturated all these houses with toilets.
But converting the whole Sagar block means addressing more than 2,12,000 people, whereas targeting Ganga Sagar impels scattering to more than 15 lakh population who come from diverse corners of India, carrying their very own language, culture and social preferences. And the considerable majority of them don't have a latrine back at their home, and perhaps more convenient in defecating in open. So like other years, the basic arrangement for amenities were there, and with increasing population, natural amenities have increased like transport, lodging, food, banking, etc. So the target was twofold. Firstly, providing adequate infrastructural support to ensure no open defecation, and secondly, embed the significance of utilizing this infrastructure within the mass behavior of the diverse spread of visitors.
Pilgrims who are coming, or your target population here is a moving population. So you hardly get say 3-4 days in your hand to involve them, to convince them, to mobilize them, and for the actual act. So whatever you have to do it in say within 72 hours of the time. So that is a much bigger challenge.
And this could not have been made possible without the huge participation of volunteers for the awareness campaigns and supervising the initiative at the Mela level, and successful involvement of faith leaders, not only the national level but from all parts of the country belonging to different religions and beliefs.
Through this Mela, we want to give this message: pollution of any kind should be taken care of. Pollution in, pollution out. That's the message. इसलिए ये मेला जो है बहुत अलग है।
It's a different type of মেলা। It's in বাংলা ওখানে বলা হয়েছে যে এবারকার মেলা ভিন্ন রকম মেলা। When I personally traveled from Calcutta up to the Gangasagar block, I found that all over strategically all the communication messages were placed, and even when the people coming out of the buses, so they are getting some messages that to prepare them so that they don't defecate in open and they don't, they pollute the place.
The result was quite evident for the first time, as people residing here have witnessed such a clean coastline even after the Mela was over.
নোংরা থাকলে আমাদের রোগ সৃষ্টি হতো, কলেরা হতো, ডায়রিয়া হতো, জ্বর হতো, বিভিন্ন রকমের রোগ সৃষ্টি হতো আমাদের লোকাল মানুষের জন্য, কিন্তু এবছর তা হবে না।
इस मेले की जो व्यवस्था मिली है इस वर्ष, सहयोग और सुविधा वो किसी मेले में अभी तक नहीं मिला हम लोगों को।
আমি এই নদীর দিক দিয়ে আসছি, একদম 5 নম্বরে নেমেছি, এই ভিতর দিয়ে হেঁটে হেঁটে চলছি, একদম পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্ন, খুব সুন্দর।
लैट्रिन भी है, पानी भी है, यहाँ सभी चीज़ का आराम है।
আগের বারের থেকে এবছর মেলায় ভালো উন্নত হয়েছে এবং পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্ন, এবং আগে যেটা টয়লেট এত বেশি থাকতো না এবছর কিছু বেড়েছে, মেলাটা পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্ন হয়েছে।
Wait. One toilet to 20 people. Yeah. That's pretty good.
बिल्कुल एक नंबर टनाटन 9 टन।
So the respective authorities made it a point of documenting the whole process of implementation so that these achievements can be replicated in other parts of the country.
Now working with the national government to develop a national guideline for this type of mela to make it clean and green. I think as soon as that will be ready, UNICEF will share with the national ministry to adopt it and circulate among the other states where, like say, the big Mela, Kumbh Mela is coming.
In the near future, all gatherings at any corner of India, the whole India, will be an open defecation, free, clean and green, following the path first marked by Ganga Sagar.